case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1982 case of United States v. Baker, the United States Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit considered the implications of errors during a trial's proceedings on its outcome. The case arose in 1981 when the defendant was convicted for selling stolen government property without knowing it was stolen or that the sales were unlawful. A Secret Service agent purchased treasury checks worth a total of $1,850 from the defendant, and it was later discovered that the payees had not authorized the transaction. The defendant attempted to appeal their conviction on the grounds of a defective indictment, ambiguous trial judge instructions, and the erroneous admission of certain claim forms into evidence. However, the court found their arguments unconvincing and the evidence against them overwhelming. The defendant was found guilty on all 3 counts and was sentenced to imprisonment for 2 to 6 years. Despite finding merit in the defendant's last argument, the court ultimately held that the conviction for selling government property under 18 U.S.C. Section 641 was valid. The admission of the claim forms was deemed a harmless error, meaning it did not affect the substantial rights of the defendant. The court affirmed the district court's judgment, highlighting that sometimes an error in a trial does not necessarily render the case unfair.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.